Is I have a new project called Mila Change, which means we need a change. And this is all about me talking to people who wants to make some change happening in Madagascar. People who have been in Madagascar or who works in Madagascar or for Madagascar, to try to understand why they are doing it. And why do they think it's important to do that? So basically, here I am at BAM.
Cool.
I mean, I met you
in August.
In August last year, 2013. And we were going through all this auditioning the traditional dances of Madagascar, and you've rightly picked Bakumanga to represent Madagascar here in New York during the BAM festival. Really, I'm so happy to be here.
It's so cool that you're here.
Finally found you.
Well, it's to reunite in Brooklyn after everything we did in Antananarivo and Rasoanaivo.
Yeah, that was fantastic. Well, you know, of course, that I am here for the film Islands of Lima. I mean, we are going to be short, 5 minutes maximum, but tell us why you've chosen the Malagasy troops this time around and why Bakumanga?
Okay, so the Dance Africa Festival at BAM is a festival of traditional African dance, all different kinds of traditional African dance. And the artistic director, Baba Chuck Davis, said to me last year, you know, in 35 or 36 years of doing Dance Africa, we've never had the chance to bring a group from Madagascar, which is about as far from New York as you can go and still be in Africa. And so we just decided, okay, let's make it happen. This is something new for us. We're very familiar with West African dance, but really we need to learn for ourselves about this culture, which is so interesting and so unique. And we just decided, and we made the trip last summer, and it was fantastic. You know, we had a lot of help from the U.S. Embassy, but also a lot of help from colleagues, Malagasy colleagues like you. Thank you very much. And we auditioned 6 different companies at the studios of the TV station, RTI Dome, I think.
That's right.
Right? And they were so interesting, and it was very intensive for us trying to go, okay, what are we seeing, and how can we make a choice that's informed and respectful? And you know, we were fortunate to have good advisors, you, Mirai, but also I think Chuck has so much experience working with companies, and you could just see who wanted to really, you know, pitch in, and he had such a good feeling about Bakuman. You know, such older dancers and younger dancers, but also they showed us so many different dances from different parts of Madagascar and the different groups that are there. It was fantastic, and so for us, they were such good people and could represent so many different aspects of the culture that we thought, okay, this is what we have to provide for people in Brooklyn. It's a chance to see and learn everything that they can show us.
Okay. Well, I remember that when you picked Bakumanga, the next day was already like a workshop straight away, traveling and go to the rainforest and work every day. And I must admit that Bakumanga were extremely happy to have been picked, but at the same time, we say in Malagasy, there's a proverb we say in Malagasy, which means like a little tiny bird which you've given a huge amount of food and don't know what to do, because I'm very happy, but now what? Because, you know, it's a traditional troupe, and they've never been to New York before, and they've never done this kind of like really high quality professional dance routine. So just tell me the process of how you were getting them to do what is happening at BAM.
Well, we were very fortunate, first of all, that they could go with us right away to the Centre Valbaio in Rasoanaivo, and that the NBC and that Pat Wright had given us this facility so that we could rehearse with them. You know, yes, it must be quite strange. Here comes Baba Chuck and Nick from New York, and we're going to bring you to Brooklyn next year. It's a giant faith exercise.
Absolutely.
But so we used this time in Rasoanaivo for us to learn all the different dances and just to try to explain as much as we could. What's the program? What's going to happen? To show some video about BAM and to make as much explanation as possible. I've stayed in contact with them, and Chuck sends them emails and to work out what the program is, to tell them what to expect, to help develop a lot of very extensive educational materials for the audiences and students here. And then we will bring them here to rehearse with us for another week before we even have a performance here. So they will come, they'll meet the Dance Africa community, the people and the staff at BAM, the Dance Africa elders. They'll be welcomed and shown all the facilities and to rehearse here and to work everything out very carefully with them and hopefully very respectfully, so that it's, once they're on stage and there are 2,000 people in the audience, it won't be such a big surprise.
This is fantastic. I mean, I'm really so happy for them to be able to have this opportunity to come and perform in a very professional environment. Just as much as I was so happy to have the lemurs in Hollywood, really is like, wow, Madagascar is like under the light. Yeah, I hope that this will bring something for the Malagasy people, for the Malagasy culture, and especially the traditional dances and music of Madagascar.
I hope so too, and you know, in a way I have to turn back to you and to Wakamanga and say thank you very much for giving us your trust that will present you in a way that works well.
Well, thank you, and I hope to see you in May.
I hope to see you in May.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.